Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Marvel Tokon Fighting Soul. You are getting the error, a vulnerable or incompatible driver was detected, update Windows and any other affected drivers. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open up your Windows security. In Windows security, click on device security and click on core isolation details. From here, if you have turned off this memory integrity, you need to toggle it on as it is showing right over here. Secondly is you need to turn off the Microsoft vulnerable driver block list. If it is turned on, you need to toggle it off. Although if it is grey out like it is showing right over here, then you need to right click on start menu, choose option run, type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now in regedit, you need to enter a command. This will provide you in the description of this video. Copy it, paste right in this address bar and then hit the enter key. Here you will find a file vulnerable driver block list enable. Double click to open it and value data change to 0. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now make sure to restart your PC to turn it off. Once your system restart, try to launch the game and the issue will be fixed. If not, right click on the game, select manage and click on browse local files. You need to open MTFS, binaries, Win64 and then pre-requisite folder. Here you will find PSPC runtime folder. Right over here you will find the option of install PSPC. Right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. This will install the PlayStation PC SDK runtime and in turn fix out the issue. If this also failed to work out, in third step click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Now right in the CMD you need to type in 3 commands one by one. All these 3 commands I will provide you in the description of this video. Copy the first command and paste right in the CMD and then hit the enter key. Now copy the second command and again paste and hit the enter key. Then third command, copy and paste in CMD and then hit the enter key. It is giving me the error that the device or service is not installed. It is because this service is related to ASUS Armory Crate or RGB lighting of your mouse or keyboard. So after stopping these services, you are ready to launch the game and hopefully the system security update required error D0000207 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.